If you want to disable AI features in the DuckDuckGo browser, the process is very simple. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser. Then click the menu button in the top corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the AI Features section. Depending on your version of DuckDuckGo, this may also appear as Duck.ai, AI Chat, or AI Assist features. Open that section and you'll see the available AI options. From here, you can disable AI-powered chat features, AI search assistants, or other experimental AI tools built into the browser. Once disabled, DuckDuckGo will return to a more traditional browsing experience without AI suggestions or integrated AI chat features appearing in the interface. This can be useful if you prefer a cleaner browser layout, want fewer distractions, or simply do not use AI tools while browsing. Keep in mind that disabling these features does not affect the browser's main privacy protections. Tracker blocking, private search, cookie protection, and the fire button will continue working normally. If you would like to go even further, click on Open Search Assist Settings. In this new menu, you can turn off even AI-generated answers by clicking on the drop-down menu and then choosing Never. You can also hide AI-generated images by turning this filter on. If you are ready, press Save and Exit. If you ever want to enable the features again, you can return to the same settings section and turn them back on at any time. And that's how to turn off AI features in the DuckDuckGo browser.